Welcome to the checkout guide. Today I will show you what are the 5 prompts that we can ask to Sidekick as a beginner. So if you're new to this channel, please subscribe, like, share, comment and press the bell icon. Let's get started. First, click on Sidekick. Here we can ask how can I improve my fashion store homepage. Then click on enter. So it will give the suggestions. So that we can change hero banner, future collection, etc. So we can ask customize it. So we can click on go to the online store to edit. So it is automatically redirect to the online store. So here we can change the banner, image, text, etc. Here I am asking to change the logo. Give a best logo for my store. Click enter. So now it is generating image. So here we can see it is give the best logo. We can download it and then click on the logo. Here we can edit logo. Click on that. Then we can select by click on add files. It is uploading. Now click on done. Here logo section, I hide logo. We can remove that. So here we can see the logo has been updated. So for the visibility we can change. Okay, that's it. We can also change the browse this banner text, buttons, all. So that's it. Now we can ask the second prompt to the Sidekick. So that click on Sidekick, then ask to write description for my product leather wallet. Click on enter. Let's refresh. Now we can ask click enter. Now it is processing. So here it's saying it's found too. So now it is processing. So here we can see it is redirect to the product section. So for the SEO part, it also edited automatically. So this is very easy to do. That's it. We can click on save. So next I'm asking what is missing before launch. Before launch and click on enter. Now it has no image, 2 to 3 quality image it need. So no product type, no collection, no tag, no cost per item. So we have to improve that one by one. Click on product and click on leather wallet. We can add more images. Okay, click on done. Now we can add sizes, color, etc. So here the leather type like ostrich, python, etc. Click on done. So here we can set the meta field. Product type, like we can to accessories. So that's it. Click on save. Now we can ask to set the brand color like premium. So we can ask to suggest a premium brand color and styling ideas for my store. Then click on enter. So it is recommending some color ideas, topography ideas. So go to online store and apply and click on enter. Let's see, it will apply directly or we have to manually apply. So we can go to the online store. So here I have to choose which color. So I am choosing this. Now it is applied directly, I think. So now it looks more attractive like text and all. Let's ask to change the banner text to more attractive. Click on enter. So here we can see it has been changed, the banner text. So that's it. Now we can ask how to organize collections. So click on Sidekick and how should I organize collections for my store? Then click on enter. Have to refresh it. Then click on enter. Now it will suggest to add the collections, like by product type we can add tops, bottom. By use case we can add like new arrivals, sales or clearance, etc. So here we can see on product section, click on collections. So here we can see it has already some collections like automated collections. We can add any collections and give new arrival. So we can see give description and go collection methods in new arrival. Then click on enter. Let's see it will automatically change or not. So it's giving the description. We can copy this and paste here. Also we can set manual or automated. Here I set to manual. Like we can select some products here. Click on add. It has been added. If you need to add image, you can add. So that's it. Click on save. So these are the 5 basic prompts a beginner can ask. So it will give step-by-step process. So that's it. If you like this video, please subscribe, like, share, comment and press the bell icon. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.